Hey there, video creators! Today, I'm thrilled to share with you how to easily add subtitles to your videos using AI, and the best part, it's completely free! Let's dive right in. First, let's open Chrome. Next, search for Simplified Subtitles Generator Free. Now, click on the first link that appears. Once you're on the website, click on Generate Subtitles. For YouTube videos, choose Landscape. You'll find free templates for captions. I'll choose this one. Click on Next to proceed. Now, upload the video to which you want to add subtitles. Select the language of the subtitles. I'll choose English. Next, click on Generate. You can adjust the subtitle area if needed. Click on Export to save the subtitled video. Finally, click on Download to save your subtitled video to your device. Wait a minute. And there you have it! Adding subtitles to your videos with AI for free is that simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more video editing tips. Thanks for watching and happy subtitling!